Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your business transactions with Stripe step by step clearly. To secure your business transactions with Stripe, start by creating a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email, name, and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Log into your Stripe account once your email is verified. Complete your profile by providing your business details. Next, navigate to the Developers section in the left menu. Click on API keys to access your public and secret keys. Use the test keys for development and the live keys for production. Implement the Stripe SDK or API in your website or application. If you're using a framework, check for specific libraries provided by Stripe for easier integration. Ensure to use HTTPS for secure data transmission between your site and Stripe. Add Stripe's checkout option to your website for a secure payment experience. Customize the checkout process to fit your branding. Set up webhooks to receive real-time notifications of events related to transactions. Configure webhooks in the webhooks section by entering your endpoint URL. Test your payment flow using Stripe's test mode to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Once satisfied with the testing, switch to live mode. Review your integration for any potential security vulnerabilities. Ensure you comply with PCI DSS requirements to protect customer data. Regularly monitor your transactions for any suspicious activity. Stay updated with Stripe's documentation for any changes in security practices. Implement additional security measures, like two-factor authentication for your account. Finally, educate your team about best practices for handling transactions securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.